Hi YouTube, this is my Moon Shield auto rear tail light that I've just picked up. Picked it up to replace my Moon Comet, which the battery's become unreliable on recently. Had it for 3 years and it's down to about half of its runtime, so it's time for a replacement. This outperforms it in both LED performance and battery runtime, so it should be a worthy upgrade. I'll take you through the actual modes. I won't bore you by switching them all on and basically blinding the camera, but I'll talk you through them. Solid state, you've got mode 1, which is 15 lumens at 6.5 hours runtime. That's quite good. Right up to the brightest, which is mode 4, 80 lumens at 1 hour and 20, which is still decent. The flashing modes, you've got flash mode 1, which lasts a massive 40 hours at 15 lumens, right up to the brightest flash, or the second brightest flash I should say, which is 80 lumens, which will last 7 hours, which is enough time for a century, if you're quick enough. There is also a day flash mode, which has a massive 150 lumens and lasts 25 hours. Now, I'm assuming that's just a pulse, which is why it lasts so long. I'll try and enable that to show you what it looks like. Hang on, where are we? That's the daytime flash mode. It's hard to see on the camera there, but basically has a halo of smaller LEDs around the main ultra bright LED, and the ultra bright LED pulses at 150 lumens. I assume the object of that is so you can be seen long distance during the day, and the claimed runtime for that is 25 hours, so that'd be ideal for daytime commuting. It'll last a couple of weeks of short to medium distance commutes between charges, which is quite cool. The build quality light feels okay. Some unnecessary added features like this aluminium bezel, and also the 4 Allen key fasteners in the front, which I'm sure don't really need to be there. Charges in about 2 to 2.5 hours via micro USB, so you can charge it from a smartphone charger. One little feature I do like is there's an O-ring, or there's a square seal I should say, which fits this aperture right here in the back of the light. So when the charge cable is actually connected, that interface between the cable and the light becomes fully weather tight, meaning you can charge it in the rain on the bike and you won't get any water into the unit, or you shouldn't do. You can run that to an auxiliary battery in your saddle pack, or possibly even a jersey pocket if it will fit. This means that obviously the runtime on the light's indefinite, which would be ideal for long distance cycle touring, odd axing, adventure racing, etc, etc, which is a really cool feature. It's a nice detail I haven't seen on other lights. Supplied mounts in the box are the usual bungee around the seat post, which is actually on my bike now, so that's why I'm not showing it. There's a bag clip mount, I'm not sure how useful that would be, but it's there. And also a saddle rail mount. Just mount on the back like that. There is an auto safe mode. When the battery gets so low, it will switch onto an enforced reduced flash mode, or solid state mode, which will last an hour, so basically reserve power to get you home. And also there's a low battery indicator via the on button on the back here. It'll light up blue for low battery and start flashing for critical, which I assume will be your 1 hour reserve power mode as well. Haven't had it on the bike yet, so can't comment what it's like in day-to-day use, but I will update with a long-term review in a couple of months' time, let you know how it's getting on. But at the moment, seems like a good buy. Thanks for watching.